Today I will be sharing with you some websites and showing you how you can make money by opening emails. This method is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry if you're not from the United States. Also, you don't have to invest any money. You just have to watch this video until the end and watch all the websites that I will be sharing in this video so that you can be one step ahead of your competitors. Now go to the first website, which is uniquerewards.com. But before we start, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below on what country you are in right now so that I can create videos specifically for your country. Drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get back into the video. This is a great platform to get paid for reading emails, watching ads, watching videos, playing free games, and website visits. If you want to make quick money without investing a single cent, you will receive 1, 2, or 3 emails with a special offer in your email inbox. All you have to do is open that email, clicks the link, and it will direct you to the advertiser website. You don't receive any random email, you only receive a special offer that matches your interest. When you open the advertised email, you will get 1 cent. You will receive a $5 bonus when you create an account. They also have a referral program where you will earn $1 every time you refer someone to this platform and complete their first test. The minimum balance to cash out is $20 if you choose PayPal or Bitcoin, and $50 if you decide to receive the fund via Visa or MasterCard. They will pay you every Monday. Our second website is called paidtoreademail.com. If you are a beginner at email reading jobs, you might ask yourself, why do websites pay you to read email? And why do they do this? Businesses require their product and service to reach more people so they can increase profit. To make this possible, they use ad promotion and marketing campaigns. And email marketing is a proven method for reliable traffic and a high conversion rate. That is why advertisers pay these websites, and these websites pay you a portion of revenue to convince you to participate. The idea behind this is advertisers want people to see their email ads. Those companies hope you might tell your friend and family about their business or make a purchase from them. You are not obligated to perform any other action after clicking the link to get paid. At the end of the day, if you're doing this, the advertiser company grows their brand. The website gets paid and you will get some money into your pocket. So it's a win-win situation. Now let's get back on track. This is an online rewards community where you can earn money for your time and efforts by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, and more. You can also choose to earn redeemable points for gift cards, guaranteed paid emails, and more. Now on this website, you will have a $3 sign-up bonus if you create a free account today. All you have to do is select your gender before entering your primary email and password. Then confirm the password and then click on this sign-up button right here. You now have an activated account that will allow you to earn tons of money by reading emails. Now you will be able to find 3 ways to be rewarded for your online activities, such as cash surveys, which range in price from 50 cents to $1 each survey. Now by clicking this button, you may get to this page right here. All you have to do is open them and click on the photos or the button to send you to a website of your choice. They may give you instructions from time to time, but you are not required to do anything in most cases. All you have to do is stay on the website for at least 30 seconds to confirm that you're not a robot. You can simply scroll through on your phone or computer and you'll get your money after that. It will be deposited into your account as soon as it ends. There isn't much that you need to do. It's so simple that you can do it over and over again. It is worth a lot of 2 to 3 hours of your time every day for the money you will make on this website. Keep in mind that you only need to be there for 30 seconds to complete the task while you're doing it. You may scroll up and down the website page. That's all you have to do to start making money right away. You can share your referral link to earn 2 or 3 times more than before. You'll gain 15% from your friends' profits if they sign up here, and you won't have to do any of the work yourself. Now I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. Our first bonus website is called cash4offers.com. It gives you several ways to be rewarded for your online activity. You can get paid to read emails, take surveys, complete cash offers, refer your friends, and more. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy the extra income working with your computer on the internet from the comfort of your home. This is the place where you can make money online by reading paid emails, signing up for cash surveys and offers. Advertisers pay Cash4 offers to reach consumers like you. Cash4 offers shares the revenue they receive from advertisers with their members. You will easily get $5 to sign a bonus deposit into your account when you register. You can boost your balance by taking an online survey, playing an online game, or preferring a friend. The minimum payout for this website is a little bit high, which is $35. They pay you through PayPal. Your account will change to a gold member after your first payout. One of the benefits of being a gold member is you will receive a payment within 72 hours instead. You don't need to wait a whole week to receive it. Our next bonus website is called donkeymails.com. You can see this site looked pretty old school, but they pay really well. The concept is simple, which lets you make money when you open and click the link in the email. 1,000 clicks can give you 50 cents. The payouts are made every 2 weeks, and there's no minimum payout, so it's a good thing. Our next bonus website is called unitpaid.com. This is an international program. Memberships are available worldwide. They pay to all members, to all countries. They pay you real money for signing up for free offers, reading emails, completing paid tasks and paid surveys, visiting sites, and online shopping, for referring friends, for referring advertisers. They give you many ways to earn money. This is the place where you get paid cash for signing up for free offers. They offer hundreds of the best offers that can only exist in our network. It pays you each time you complete offers from our site. They pay you through Skrill, Payeer, Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, Bitcoin, and by check. You choose the best method of payment that suits you most. And the cool thing is there is no minimum payment amount to get paid via PayPal and Bitcoins. Whether you make only 1 cent or $500 or more during any month, you can get paid. They have a referral program. They pay you for referring advertisers. You will get 10% from all advertisers' deposits for the duration of the advertiser's activity in the program. Our next bonus website is called inboxcash.io. They connect advertisers with potential consumers. Users earn money by reading clean emails without annoying ads. Advertisers can send custom target messages to their potential consumers. Their goal is to pay our users 80% of the revenue we get from our advertisers. This is free to join and works worldwide. Their minimum payout is only 1 cent, and you can withdraw your money via Payeer, Perfect Money, and Faucet Pay. And the good thing is that they also pay for referrals. They pay 20 cents for every referral, but for the referral amount to be credited to your account, your referral must be an active member. I have a tip for you. Sign up with a separate email account so that your primary email will be safe from marketing emails and fake offer emails. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell. If you don't want to miss our upcoming videos,